Today we're gonna show you how to create stunning and cohesive Instagram aesthetics.
I'm gonna start off with this picture right here. I'm gonna start off with the remove tool, and I'm kind of just going over the spot with the Uggs.
So
the Uggs are out of sight, out of mind.
Those are my Uggs.
Oh, sorry, but your Uggs are not wanted in this picture. Let's try the mirror. So we're gonna do the same thing where I'm just outlining it and then kind of just filling it in. Gone.
Oh, wow.
Like literal magic. It's crazy. Yeah, Photoshop is the coolest thing ever. So next I have this picture of me in the mirror. So this tool is the straighten tool, and all you literally have to do is, if someone's like taking a picture of you, for example, and it's kind of crooked, you pretty much can just drag from the top of your head to the bottom of your body, and it automatically straightens out the picture.
What?
I know, crazy. And now instead of the remove tool, I'm gonna use a spot healing brush tool and get rid of all these little dark marks on the walls, just literally dragging over
That's
it.
so simple. Oh my god.
It's gone.
So now all these photos that Bianca just edited, we're gonna bring them over to her phone. She's gonna show you kind of how to edit it in Lightroom.
So again, you can just play around with the exposure. If you find the picture to be too dark, brighten it up a little bit.
Hold your finger down on the photo. It like shows the original. And then when you take it off, you'll see what you edited. So you see the before and after as you're updating it.
We're gonna also do some contrast on this picture. And then for highlights, it kind of just brightens up the lighter parts of the picture. So I'm gonna play around with both of these a little bit. So now I'm going into the color section. I'm gonna warm this picture up the slightest bit. But the blur tool is what really takes your pictures to the next level. So with this tool, you can blur the background and have like a main focus area of the picture. And then you'll press this little button in the corner that says focus, and you can adjust the focus range. So again, just playing around with it so that Nicole, Kate, and Becky are in focus. So I'm going to decrease the blur quite a bit just so that it's very minimal. Okay, so I'm also gonna play around with the color grading a little bit. For example, if I'm doing the shadows and I want it to be more like pink toned, I can just subtly drag it. Yeah, so it just added like a little bit of a pinky tint, which we love. We're pink girlies, so we love pink. Once you have everything you needed done to your pictures, you will press these three dots in the top corner and press create preset. And I'm going to name this behind the scenes shoot and save it. And then once you have it saved, like it's literally just done.
Like, what?
Save that, super cute. Yeah guys, this is like the easiest thing ever. Like anyone can do this. Like I could probably like show my mom this and she would be able to figure it out, and she is like not a technology girl. I'm just gonna open up Express here, just drag and drop these. Easiest thing ever. And then I'm going to just organize them.
And I feel like we can you can already tell because of this filter you created
Everything
or the preset, everything
so
matches so well. I'm obsessed with this.
So if you were to be uploading these on Instagram, you could kind of just use Express in this way to just see how everything looks laid out together.
But yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning into this segment. We hope you guys slay your social aesthetic.